Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're exploring the incredible world of heavy machinery and the technology that drives them. Let's dive in. The Komatsu MC51 continuous hardwood miner has made a significant impact on job sites, showcasing its prowess with a robotic cutter that efficiently breaks down rock into small pieces. This machine has demonstrated its capability by excavating a tunnel measuring 16.4 by 16.4 feet. The MC51 operates with an electrical system that not only eliminates emissions, but also automates the crushing process with remarkable precision, thanks to Dynacut technology ensuring cutting accuracy within 2.16 inches. This advanced technology enables operators to control the machine from a safe distance, reducing risks and enhancing job site safety significantly. The Caterpillar CAT 994 front loader is one of the largest loaders in the world, designed to work with dump trucks that have payload capacities of 150, 200, and 250 tons. This massive machine weighs 239 tons and is powered by a reliable turbocharged CAT 3516E diesel engine with a total capacity of 1,847 horsepower. Caterpillar has focused on reducing operating expenses with features like an advanced air filter design that triples engine life and extends the oil change interval by 500 engine hours. Additionally, all the truck's lighting fixtures use long-lasting, economical LEDs. The Liebherr Model LB44 is the latest addition to Liebherr's range of specialized foundation drilling equipment. Despite its large size, this machine is easy to transport and offers excellent mobility on the job site. The innovative BAT rotary drives ensures exceptional efficiency. This advanced machine is capable of dry drilling using the Kelly boom, as well as various drilling methods utilizing the continuous auger, making it versatile for a wide range of foundation projects. Rusal, the largest salt mining company, has unveiled its latest achievement, an experimental salt picker unmatched globally. Developed in-house, this innovative unit is designed to gently remove the salt layer from Lake Baskinchak, preserving its unique ecosystem and preparing fields for new salt growth. The new generation loader operates effectively at depths up to 1.6 feet, removing brine and associated rocks. The twin-engine, dual-propulsion, dual-drive road trains, or DPRT, offer a high payload capacity, significantly reducing the time and costs of transporting ore from the mine site to the concentrator, train, or barge loading terminal. With payloads of up to 500 tons and unlimited range, distance is no longer an issue. By reducing transportation and vehicle cycles, DPRT enhances productivity while lowering costs. The additional payload capacity achieved with DPRT is a game changer, dramatically improving operational productivity and cost efficiency. In a world where reliable and efficient resource extraction is increasingly crucial, the P&H 4100 AC drive mining shovels play a pivotal role. These colossal machines empower mining companies to achieve exceptional productivity, even under challenging conditions. With their assistance, enterprises can streamline production processes, enhancing efficiency and optimizing both time and production costs. The AC drive technology significantly boosts energy efficiency and minimizes wear, positioning the P&H 4100 excavators as integral components of the mining industry's sustainable development strategy. They exemplify innovation and reliability in meeting the evolving demands of modern mining operations. The new 995F is a robust machine designed for high productivity, reliability, safety, and operator comfort. Whether it's stripping overburden, creating access roads, mining operations, extraction, demolition, material handling, or end-of-life site reclamation, the 995F is built to handle it all. This machine works smarter, harder, and longer, delivering consistent performance shift after shift. It boasts greater digging force, shorter cycle times, and improved fuel economy. The 995F supports a wide range of attachments, including hammers and rock buckets, ensuring versatile productivity and maximum return on investment. Picture a setting where extreme conditions are standard. Temperatures soaring to 1,300 degrees Celsius from molten slag, liquid steel, abrasive bulk materials, and massive red-hot slabs and coils weighing tons. This is the everyday environment of steel mills and smelters, where each day poses challenges for both humans and machinery alike. In these rigorous conditions, CAMAG transport systems shine, engineered specifically to endure and operate efficiently in the toughest metallurgical settings. Whether it's intense heat, dirt, or heavy loads, CAMAG machines are built to meet and overcome every challenge. The MTM series by Dengo and Dienenthal is renowned for its exceptional capabilities in gripping, turning, lifting, and tilting rings. With a robust carrying capacity of 15 tons, this machine provides a reliable and efficient solution for various industrial applications. A standout feature of the MTM series is its powerful yet quiet diesel engine, which delivers strong performance while minimizing fuel consumption and emissions. Camp C has successfully printed a real two-story residential house with an area of 90 square meters and a height of 8 meters, using Europe's largest concrete 3D printer. What makes this house particularly unique is that this is the first two-story 3D printed house, as other 3D printed houses worldwide typically have only one floor. This house was printed as part of the European C3PO project, supported financially by the European Regional Development Fund. The project partners aim to increase the construction industry's interest in using 3D printed concrete as a building technique. They believe such homes could significantly reduce material and energy consumption, CO2 emissions, and waste. Now we can only watch to see what developments come next. The Lugong 990F excavator is a robust and high-performing machine known for its productivity, reliability, and operator comfort. With an impressive digging force of 496 kN, it surpasses competitors in its class. Designed for extended uptime, it excels in the toughest job sites. Thanks to its durable construction, the 995F features a sealed cab that protects against dust, noise, and dirt. Along with automatic climate control to ensure a comfortable environment for the operator, whether for cooling or heating. The Genius crane is designed for easy disassembly and transport. Making it ideal for swift deployment on large demolition projects. Equipped with concrete and scrap shears capable of lifting 16 tons. This crane is exceptionally suitable for extensive industrial and infrastructure work. It can also be used underwater for offshore and mooring tasks at depths up to 98 feet. The Genius enhances safety and efficiency by cutting heavy concrete structures with minimal dust and vibration. Its long reach allows it to remain stationary longer, reducing the need for repositioning and preventing wasted time. These features make it particularly beneficial for projects in urban areas where minimizing disruption is crucial. You are looking at the HRVB hydraulic vacuum bucket, a versatile tool that converts the hydraulic energy from the mobile machinery or vehicles into vacuum power for waste disposal and airflow for cleaning. This innovative system harnesses the hydraulic system of the base machine as its power source. Initially, the hydraulic oil flow is directed through a pressure line to a hydraulic motor integrated within the bucket. This motor transforms the hydraulic oil flow into powerful suction and airflow. The operator can adjust the sluice opening from the cab using the hydraulic controls. Finally, the hydraulic oil is routed back to the base machine's hydraulic oil tank through a return line. Friends, meet Volvo's new state-of-the-art log loader, the L200H high lift model. This machine boasts significant improvements over its predecessor, including a 12.2-ton capacity and a larger grapple, equipped with a stronger rotator which reduces pendulum motion during operation. Additionally, first-class LED lighting provides enhanced visibility, and a collision avoidance system improves safety, a critical aspect of log yard wood handling for Haslacher and its operators. The Bracke T35.B 3-row trencher is a powerful machine designed for forestry and land clearing trenching operations. It features robust construction and advanced technology to ensure reliable performance in various soil conditions. The trencher is equipped with 3 rows of cutting discs that efficiently cut through soil and vegetation. Creating precise and consistent trenches. Its design allows for adjustable trench widths, enabling operators to customize trench sizes to meet specific needs. The SmartRock T25R is a smart installation designed for the most dedicated operators. It's perfect for working alone, staying discreet, and building crucial infrastructure to keep communities running smoothly. Recognizing the commitment of those who are the first to arrive and the last to leave the site, Epiroc crafted the SmartRock T25R to excel on the toughest surfaces and hard-to-reach construction sites. This machine will become your primary work assistant, helping you achieve high results from shift to shift. Guess what? Push the boundaries with the Dino Model DC420RI. Your next step into the world of high-performance drilling. This maneuverable, all-terrain drilling machine is designed to work in the most demanding environments. Providing accurate drilling of holes from 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Engineered for maximum stability and mobility, it guarantees outstanding performance and helps you exceed your expectations. Its reliability and power make this unit an indispensable tool for those looking to lead the industry. The Technique Hero Slag Taurus is a specialized and robust slag transporter designed for handling the abrasive and heavy nature of slag, a byproduct of industrial processes like metal smelting. Engineered to meet the demanding requirements of slag handling in industrial settings, the Slag Taurus excels in transporting slag material with ease and efficiency, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. Its powerful construction allows it to withstand the challenges of slag handling, making it an essential asset for industrial operations. Kubler Spedition recently transported several large ship parts, including the excursion vessel MS Udding, from point A to point B for further transportation. The vessel arrived in Bavaria Roth from a shipyard near Bonn and was brought ashore in 2 parts, the hull and the upper deck, using heavy-duty mobile cranes. On Monday evening, the transportation was carried out on a low-bed truck along a major highway. The dimensions of the ship made this task challenging. It is 223 feet long, nearly 32 feet wide, weighs about 400 tons, and costs around 5 million euros. Despite these challenges, you can see for yourself how Kubler Spedition's powerful forklift managed this seemingly impossible task with precision and efficiency. Recently, the specially developed LKW Bagger shoulder milling machine was put into operation. Unlike other shoulder milling machines, this unit can drive itself to any location without the need for a low-loader truck, as it is fully approved for use on a MAN truck. This machine can mill shoulders up to 2 meters wide and up to 10 centimeters below the edge of the road in a single operation. It can navigate around fences, super rails, and other vehicle restraint systems without issue. Overall, this development offers a more efficient and faster way to perform shoulder milling tasks. The HG6800 horizontal shredder from the new TX series combines a high horsepower engine with a compact track design. This machine features a 950 horsepower engine and weighs in the 92,000-pound class. Its feeder is specifically designed to handle large materials such as whole trees and large stumps. The feed roller can elevate up to 50 inches, enabling the machine to chop logs or stumps that need rolling and allowing the operator to feed a variety of materials. Additionally, the Smart Feed system monitors engine speed and adjusts the chopping speed to ensure optimal performance. The 22H and 18H loaders showcased are the top choice for mines aiming to leverage modern hybrid technologies. These hybrids are engineered to minimize costs and support underground hard rock mining goals of zero emissions and electrification. They incorporate patented KESS technology specifically designed for hard rock applications. These workhorses help decrease fuel consumption and reduce overall operating expenses by relying on fewer mechanical components. Introducing the Wolf DWT-630, the pinnacle of dewatering trencher technology. Equipped with a formidable 630 horsepower Cat C8 engine, this machine can dig trenches up to 19 feet deep and 12 feet wide. The footage on your screen showcases the DWT-630 in action, adeptly handling challenging conditions and demonstrating its exceptional precision and productivity. Witness its powerful capabilities as it carves out wide and deep dewatering trenches, making it an indispensable asset for projects demanding both accuracy and efficiency. The amphibious dredger from Cleantech Infra is a unique machine designed for use in both open and narrow canals. Capable of floating in water and navigating soft, swampy wetlands, where conventional excavators with tracks or tires would get stuck. It boasts a 22-foot reach and can rotate 360 degrees endlessly. The dredger is equipped with stabilizing wheels that provide buoyancy when extended and act as stabilizers when deployed. These wheels also enable the excavator to load and unload from trailers independently and slide down steep slopes, enhancing its versatility and ease of use. The Ecolog 500 series provides exceptional ground clearance ranging from 4 inches to 4 feet, ensuring superior mobility in the most rugged conditions. This robust harvester is equipped with pendulum arms that facilitate easy navigation over large obstacles like logs and rocks, enhancing accessibility and maneuverability on slopes. Further enhancing its capabilities, the Ecolog 500 features the new Ecolog Nexi control system, updated pallets, a redesigned fuel tank, and a new rear-wheel drivetrain. An improved anti-slip system ensures smooth and efficient operation across all forest terrains, solidifying its reputation for outstanding performance in forestry operations. Caring for trees along railroads is crucial for safety, not just aesthetics. Overgrown trees can threaten moving trains and track integrity. Woodcracker machines, specifically the Model T4000 telescopic platform and Model CS510 gimbal grapple, are ideal for this task. These tools allow professionals to efficiently manage vegetation, removing any growth that could disrupt transport infrastructure. This ensures the safety and reliability of both rail and road traffic. The BWS 160FR is a versatile and powerful trailer designed for transporting heavy loads across various industries. Its robust construction and high load capacity ensure stability and safety during transportation. A standout feature of the BWS 160FR is its exceptional maneuverability and versatility, highlighted by its unique hydraulic detachable gooseneck, also known as a flip neck. This design facilitates easy loading and unloading of equipment, making the BWS 160FR an ideal choice for handling substantial payloads efficiently. You're looking at the best-in-class ledge cutter from Dooker. This state-of-the-art technology allows you to perform perfect shoulder milling and load the milled material in a single operation with a working width of 4.1 feet. The machine also features auxiliary augers, which increases the working width to 5.6 to 6.9 feet, making it easier to work under and behind fences. Additionally, it includes a specifically attached broom that cleans the street in a similar manner. The SBF 900 ledge milling machine is Dooker's best self-propelled version. Equipped with hydraulic travel and milling drive. The SBF 900 shoulder milling machine uses a copy roller to push the loading vehicle in front of it, determining the optimum working speed for efficient operation. The Safe Aero 220 is the only single-operator de-icer in the ground support industry that can be controlled, maneuvered, and sprayed entirely from the cab. It features wireless data transmission and remote diagnostics for real-time status monitoring and quick adjustments to enhance performance. Additionally, the Safe Aero 220 is equipped with a powerful ground gun and a 32-foot hose reel for precise and efficient ice removal. Experience a new level of comfort and efficiency with the Safe Aero 220, the ultimate de-icing solution for any operation. The Volvo FMX is designed with built-in features to simplify demanding tasks. Its rugged cab offers improved forward visibility, and cameras displayed on the side screen enhance safety. A traction control panel assists the driver in managing potentially hazardous situations both on and off-road. Additionally, the impressive 38-ton bogie significantly boosts productivity by increasing payload capacity. Truly, the Volvo FMX is a truck designed to build the future. JLOR's largest TMR mixer is designed to mix and transport over 1,000 cubic feet, or 32 meters cubed, of TMR. It features a rugged walking tandem with dual tires and optional brakes, hydraulic or pneumatic, making it capable of handling heavy rations on feedlots. The mixer is available with various patented augers, including sliding plate augers for fast, low-power feed processing and slant blade augers for heavier loading, ideal for processing dense meat. This commercial mixer is built to endure the demands of intensive feeding operations. The BMM 410 is a fully automatic mobile clay brick making machine from SNPC Machines, India. This portable machine offers the flexibility to produce clay or mud bricks anytime, anywhere, and in any quantity. It can use raw materials such as clay, mud, or a mixture of clay and fly ash. With the BMM 410, brick production becomes convenient and efficient, making it ideal for various construction needs. In this video, you can see the long logger from Elphinstone in action with sun chip harvesting. The vehicle's easy loader bolt-on attachment option makes it highly adaptable for various log hauling applications. It can be easily modified and is also available in a standard flat tow option. The Easy Loader stands out because it can handle all applications from general access routes to B triple routes, with payloads ranging from 32 to 68 tons. Its stretchable mudguards and fully enclosed suspension offer superior protection for cables, airlines, and brake parts, simplifying cleaning and reducing road spray and mud on logs. The versatile Trail King cart can be configured in multiple ways, using the Schnabel configuration, replacing the standard wheelbase with a steerable 13-axle setup, or using a Jeep dolly for bunk bed operation. The new design of the Trail King offers enhanced maneuverability with a larger steering angle, steeper turns, and reduced manual steering effort. It features wireless manual operation and an automatic leveling system that self-centers after manual adjustments, ensuring ease of use and precision in various transport scenarios. And even older trucks can easily accomplish their tasks at hand. American trucks are famous not only for their shiny appearance, but also for their excellent performance. What do you think? Would you like to go for a ride like that? Agree that the appearance of the truck also plays not the least role. This truck reminds me of a small ant capable of carrying objects many times its own size. The process of loading such heavy equipment requires great care, because if you make one wrong step, everything can go wrong. Great parking skills are acquired with experience, and it is one of the most important skills for drivers. Have you ever seen an excavator unloading? Now you have such an opportunity. Notice how smoothly and accurately all the movements are performed without a single slip. A real jewelry work of the master. I think this video is as endless as the number of cargo giants on trailers. (42.1) Additionally, the Carmix 3500 TC is a self-propelled mobile concrete mixing plant with a 4,850-liter drum. It includes modern 4-inch sensors, electronic scales for easy handling, and accurate mix composition. The new cab offers enhanced safety and visibility for the operator. Equipped with ProMix technology, the 3500 TC can analyze mixed composition, including slump, volume, temperature, humidity, and readiness, ensuring high-quality concrete production. The new Lion Class ARFF 8x8 is built to the highest standards to meet the demands of the fire apparatus sector. Its lightweight and aerodynamic upper structure, made from composite alloy combined with a powerful twin engine producing 1,300 horsepower, allows the new Lion to reach the heart of a fire in seconds. This robust vehicle can fearlessly tackle even the most intense blazes, thanks to its fire pump that can deliver 12,000 liters of water per minute. Versatile in its capabilities, the M30H trackway panel is the ideal solution for access roads, crossings, temporary roads, beach areas, and flooring. The medium ground mobility system enhances the mobility of vehicles and large equipment with pneumatic tires by stabilizing the ground, especially when ground pressure is very low. This equipment is compatible with front-end loaders and telehandlers, making it well-suited for multi-purpose operations that require creating long access roads efficiently and effectively. After heavy snowfalls, airports can remain paralyzed until the runways are cleared. The Norwegian Overåsen TV1000, the world's largest auger snowplow, was specifically created for this purpose. This powerful machine can clear snow quickly and efficiently, capable of throwing 12,000 tons of snow per hour to a distance of 38 to 54 yards beyond the runways, ensuring that airports can resume operations as soon as possible. The Collier & Miller C&M Channeler is a heavy-duty machine designed for robust performance. It features a fully adjustable hydraulic rear wing and bed, ensuring versatility and adaptability. Customers can choose between a standard 9.8-foot bed configuration or request custom sizes to meet specific requirements. The machine's design emphasizes reliability and efficiency, consistent with the high performance of all Collier & Miller equipment. Watch a behind-the-scenes look at a major construction project at a ski resort near Telluride, Colorado. This video showcases the impressive use of the TC50 machine in two critical areas: aiding in the interior concreting of a mega residential building. In just 3 days, the dedicated team efficiently laid 1,000 yards of gravel, highlighting exceptional organization and speed. This project is not only technically demanding, but also remarkable in its scale and swift execution. The Syntrack with a snowblower attachment is a powerful and versatile machine designed for efficient and precise snow removal. Featuring a robust chassis and high-performance engine, it handles heavy snowfall and demanding conditions effortlessly. The powerful auger and blower system break down and disperse snow effectively, ensuring quick and thorough clearing of roads, driveways, parking lots, and other snow-affected areas. When a unique transportation solution is required, the extended section semi-trailer from Yangju Vulcan Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited becomes indispensable. This innovative semi-trailer can adapt to different load sizes thanks to its expandable sections, allowing for efficient space utilization depending on transportation needs. Additionally, the rotating wheels provide outstanding maneuverability, even in dense city traffic. The lifting mechanism simplifies loading and unloading, making this semi-trailer the ideal solution for transporting various loads with maximum convenience and safety. What makes the Beton block system so unique? The key feature is that large concrete blocks can be used to create structures that would be impossible without poured concrete. The system functions similarly to Lego and is just as straightforward. The blocks form a stable, movable, and scalable stacking system that requires no mortar, making them ideal for both temporary and permanent structures. Beton block steel molds are specifically designed to enable contractors to easily produce highly functional concrete blocks. These blocks fit tightly together thanks to studs on the top and notches on the bottom. This flexible construction method allows for easy expansion or modification of any structure at any time. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you love today's insights into heavy equipment, leave a comment below and let us know what you want to see next time.